the biggest mistake, I would say the number one mistake I see men make is not doing anything.
Yeah.
Just waiting. And I think the conversation comes to this every single week. Studies show that whether it be divorce or separation, 70 to 80% of those are initiated by the woman. The woman's the one that says, I want a divorce. The woman, the one that leaves or tells the man to leave. So a lot of times men are the unwilling participants. But unfortunately, in family court, if you choose not to participate, they will move on without you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they will.
And it is much easier to deal with it the first time around than trying to get an order reversed either on some technicality or if there was nothing procedurally done wrong, getting the order changed. Like here in the state of California, if you default, there has to be a change of circumstance for you to get a change in custody order.
That's right.
Like mom most likely filed for full custody. And if she gets the default entered, you have zero rights, zero access to your children. Yep. And technically, for a court to take up an RFO, a request for order for change in custody and visitation, it's your burden to prove there's a change in circumstance.
That's right.
And good luck trying to prove to a judge that the change of circumstance is that you sat on your butt and did nothing for 9 months.
That's a great, great, great point. I think that hurts a lot of people, a lot of fathers more than anything, is not being responsive when they get these notifications, when they get these letters, when they get served, and just sitting on it and getting these defaults. That is hurting people so very much. And like you say, and it's consistent in Texas as well. In order for you to change the order, modify the order, you've got to show that there's been a material and substantial change in the circumstances since the last order. And if it was a default, what has been the material and substantial change?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I always tell dads a lot of times you got to play the long game at this. Like you're not going to get the perfect order first shot. You're not going to, especially state of Texas, if you're a full-time working dad, you're probably going to get slapped with the standard possession order to begin with, and you're going to have to work your way through the process to get more. But you got to show the judge that you're trying. I think in the state of California, I see it where if you put effort in, if you continue to show you're trying and continue to push for more, the judge, if you're doing everything right, a lot of times there may not be that change in circumstance, but it's like this dad is trying. This dad's doing his best every single time they show up. Like he's done this, he's done that, he's moved into a place where the kids all have their own rooms. He's done all of these things, and they're going to be more inclined to say, at minimum, he is trying.
Yeah.